You can access your number keys and special characters by tapping the number key button to the bottom left or right of the keyboard. You can tap the button once, then select the appropriate keys. Then tap it again to return to the alphabet keyboard. But what if you only need one special character or number? You do have a shortcut. Tap and hold the number key. Then, without lifting your finger, slide and select the key needed. Once it is highlighted, release your finger from the screen and your character will be added to the text, and you have returned back to the alphabet keyboard.